Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Solitaire application on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Solitaire. Once you come across this application that says solitaire.com classic cards from Triple Dot Studios Limited, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Wait until the application downloads and installs on your Android phone, which will take a few minutes. Solitaire Classic Cards is a free-to-play solitaire game that features the classic Klondike solitaire gameplay. The game provides beautiful graphics, fun animations, new features, custom backgrounds, and offline play. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the play button and you will be able to open the game on your Android phone. That's how you can easily download the famous Solitaire.com Classic Cards game on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.